Today's question is there a way to find an attorney's win-loss record? A way to find out the percentage of cases won by an attorney? Well, yes, but not a perfect way. Yes, but not a perfectly complete and accurate way, and not for all lawyers. For example, it's hard to determine whether a divorce lawyer won the case when there are so many issues to be tried. So there's no guilty or not guilty verdict or money judgment to make it clearer. What if an attorney won the alimony award but didn't do so well on the child custody? Is that a win? Is that a loss? So yes, you can get data on attorney win-loss trial records. Many lawyers will tell you it's impossible to find such data because they don't want to admit that attorney win-loss records can be found. I suggest you read the article we've linked in the description section of this video to understand better, 1, how something like win-loss data can be obtained, and 2, the shortcomings of win-loss record data. Some notable excerpts. The shortcomings of evaluating lawyers by win rates are many. Not the least of them is that so few cases ever make it to a win or loss. In criminal cases, for example, the Administrative Office of the U.S. Courts says that 90% of defendants plead guilty rather than go to trial. Is a guilty plea a win or a loss? The answer, of course, is that it depends. And it depends on factors not readily visible from a docket sheet or data downloaded from a court. Close quote. Another excerpt, quote, in civil cases, the same is true. On average, across court systems, only about 5 to 10% of cases go to trial. Of the cases that do not go to trial, many settle, but the majority are disposed of without even a settlement. Some are withdrawn, some are abandoned, some are merged, and still others are closed for clerical reasons, close quote. And finally, this excerpt. Quote, of equal concern is that in the nuances of law practice, it is not always obvious what constitutes a win or a loss. If a company enters into a nuisance settlement to avoid protracted litigation and the accompanying legal fees, is that a win or a loss? If a personal injury lawyer settles a case for $10,000 when the defendant was secretly prepared to offer up $50,000, which side was the winner?